Yes, hello, good morning everyone. Once again, I'm Annabelle Hipolito Midal, proud independent distributor of Unified Product and Services. Our step-by-step tutorial for today is how to send eCash to eCash. Isa easiest way po pagta-transfer ng fund sa ating member to member. So it's a flat rate naman po ang ating charge from 100 to 50,000 pesos po. Flat rate ng ating eCash to eCash is 25 peso lang po ang charge ng member to member. So, punta po tayo ka ating remittances. From remittance, eCash to eCash. Napakadali lang po kasi po itatype nyo lang po yung reg code ng ating member wherein na-copy paste ko naman na po. So, 1,000 po yung aking isi-send from her to her. And then, yan, transaction password for this account is so, binulong ko lang po. Imagine in just 1 minute, pwede po tayo mag-transaction ng ganyan. Hindi po ba? So, mapapansin niyo po dyan, nandiyan po yung dealer's fetch code niya na nailagay ko. So, para makita niyo naman po or ma-download yung receipt, kasi syempre, important pa rin po na meron tayong resibo. Hindi po ba? So, hindi niyo po pupuntahan sa remittance. So, pupuntahan nyo po kay reports. From reports, remittance send po. Remittance send, select type, then eCash to eCash. So, kung mapapansin nyo po dyan, nandyan na. So, meaning, yung reg code na ibinigay nyo po is automatic. Makikita nyo po kung kanino po ay nakapangalan. So, makikita nyo po dyan, to Lori mail address, yung reg code na ina-encode natin dyan. Kagandahan, dito nyo rin po i-download yung receipt. Download the receipt from your right side. May nakita nyo, download receipt. And then click. And then please be reminded that you need a third party. So, kung meron pang space sa cellphone nyo, like ako, ewan ko, paubos na rin yata. So, download nyo lang po yan. Then, makikita nyo po yan doon sa ating ayan. So, wait po natin. So, ayan. So, lumabas yan. Dito tayo. Nakita nyo po yan. Using Chrome, andyan po yung ating download. So, para mapapakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano kabilis. Hindi po ba? So, yan po. So, i-screenshot po natin. So, ayan po yung isi-send natin kay client. Okay po? So, meaning, ma'am and sir, napakabilis po. Kung mapapansin nyo po dyan, na transaction po ako ng 1,000. So, flat rate, 25 ang charge. So, 1,025 yung ating transaction today. And I hope may na-import akong learning today. Once again, Annabelle Hipolito Midelfo, proud independent distributor of Unified Product and Services. Good morning!